obodo kenenu Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Amadike Biafra Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Amadike ike agwụgo ndị Iloyi Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu Amadike. Biafra ndị ọma ndị ibiri agadoro na mma asị m ka onye chiri ya zelu ndị bayi si na-esiwere m eghe na ọma anaghị ana n'obodo nwoke na-achụ agụ nwaanyị na-achụ agụ nwaanyị gere ukwu agụ mgbe egbuolie ya kama na na-egbucha bichibito na n'obi dị ji asị m na ọ ga-adịrị m Biafra na mma ọ ga-adịrị ndị Igbo na mma ebe ọ bụ na unu nọ mpaghara ụwa niile ebe unu nọ wee na-achụ ego ọ ga-adịrị na mma mana Eke mana Ori mana Afọ mana Nkwọ ifeọma unu nne ya dalụ na ọdịnala ya pụolu na ome mụ na Facebook na-agba ezigbo mgba this afternoon ọkwa na ife a mana agwago ha na ha sibere m eghe eghe mụnwa bụ Okpalaeze Chukwubuike ma anaba anaghị ana ife a m fụrụ taata aga m ekwu ya ihe necha vidiyo a ije na wọọlụ m ị ga-afụ vidiyo m post kịta afụrụ m dat vidiyo wee na-ajụ onwe m ajụjụ kedu ihe kpatara Chineke nna Chukwuebuike Abiama ji wee na-enene this stupid man a na-akpọ Lord Lugard o wee chịrị ụmụ Chineke ndị amụ ndị mụ ife ndị agọziri agọzi were chịrị ha ga-etikọta ha ọnụ ha na ndị Awụsa ndị ugwu na-enwere ife ha ma ama m na ghọtara ihe na-ekwu na onye Awụsa gwọchara aka ọ gwọchara aka maka coronavirus kwụwa aka kwachacha aka wee kuru mmiri ahụ o ji kwa aka buru dị bafụ wụ ya n'ọnụ ya ndo ngwagwazienu m ihe nke a pụtara o wee na-aba in fact na ihe bukita n'afọ ebuzi coronavirus ngwabezie bịa gbuo ya ewe m na-ajụ sị Chineke ọ na-alara ụra mgbe Lord Lugard na-echechara ụdị ndị anya wee kpọrọ anyị na ha wee tụkọta anyị ọnụ wee kpọọ anyị wọ Naịjirịa a na-agba m anya mmiri obi adọrọ m mma otego ndị a ji tụwara ya asị otego onye ọbụla nọ na biya ugbu a nwa onye na-alụ ọrụ otu a m n'ụlọ kịta amapụtara m n'ihu ebe a na nwanne ka m nwechara mmanya wee mee onwe m obi aṅụrị nekwe ya ihe na kịta bụ ngwọ ya na stout emisikọtara ya ọnụ ya ka m na-aṅụ nji ebute isi ma ọ gara akwụ ọnụ ngwọ nwa 200 na 1 bottle of stout mụ na ezigbo oyi m nakwa ebe a na-enweta onwe anyị maka ada nwa ama ego adịrọ yes mana ego adịrọ abụkwa na ụmụ Biafra na agụrụ ga-egbu ha ewe m na-ajụ sị Chineke ọ na-ehi ụra oge a kpọrọ ụmụ anụmanụ wee tikọta ha ọnụ ha na ụmụ Chineke gba iwo Nigeria anyị niile bụrụ ofu amamu na ote nnekwu ife a cheke n'ife cheke ya o nge mmadụ Chineke kere eke ga-kwọcha aka ṅụọ mmiri o ji kwọ aka sị na onye nwa bụ anti coronavirus a na-ekwu okwu ya na coronavirus enwezi ihe ọ ga-emenwu ya na otu a ka asụ esi anyị na Mungo Park iji wee discover River Niger anyị na-agụ ya n'akwụkwọ wee kweta akpọ ya ọ bụrụ asị na ọ bụ history anyị were that mentality wee tonite biko Mungo Park ọ ya kere ụwa Mungo Park na River Niger dị Chineke wee koo ụwa Chineke na mmiri dị Chukwu wee si let there be light dịka akwụkwọ nsọ si wee kọkwara onye ọbụla that the world without void, that darkness covers everywhere. Then God will speak the word and say let there be light, and there was light. Dịka ka akwụkwọ nsọ si kọwaa o wee sị that na ife wee dị o wee bụ na mmiri chiri everywhere. That means River Niger was there. Na-agakwa nụ ntị o maka mmiri onye Hausa kwụchara aka wee ṅụọ na-ewe m iwe batara m dị ime this video ka m jụọ sị ọnwa mgbe ke na mara akpụ isi ka agụba na-adịrọ nkọ batara unu ga-eji gba nkịtị unu agaghị apụta ka anyị nụọ ọgụ nwere onwe anyị na obodo anyị na-ebi ndụ dịka mmadụ dịka hapụ ịdị na-ebikọ nwụta ụmụ anụ ọfịa ndị a ndị na-akwacha aka poison ha bụ n'aka ibe a bichara aka nọ n'ọsọ akwụkwọ ya ṅụọ sị nọ maka coronavirus na for that na ụma mgbunwuzi ha Chineke wee sizie mgbe a na-apụta na mmiri a na wee pụta ana m agụkwa Baịbụl ekwetakwara m na Baịbụl na nkwara ofu na-eme ose eti ya ajụba m ajụjụ njụbazi ajụjụ ụfọdụ ndị asị na-agazikwa Chukwu n'iru mana ọ bụrụ ịga Chukwu n'iru maka ihe na-ekwesịrị imejụ ajụ dịka ihe na-ajụ wee bụrụ mgbe ahụ onye Hausa kwọchara aka ya wee kuru mmiri ṅụọ ọkwa poison niile disease niile ọ kwọpụtara n'aka akwọ ṅụọ ya gwazienụ m ka amamihe onye kwọchara aka ya wee kuru mmiri ahụ wee ṅụọ ga-adị kpatara nji wee na-ajụ Chineke ọ na-ehi ụra mgbe o were ndị Igbo mgbe ọ gbara nkịtị Lugade were ndị Igbo were ndị Hausa were ndị Yoruba tụkọta anyị ọnụ wee kpọọ ya ofu obodo anyị wee na-ata afụ dị n'ime elu tada Chimarin Ọfịa Fulago Odogwu welcome on board the capable nwanne m ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma biko ajụjụ m na-ajụ bụ River Niger na Mungo Park kedu onye tọrọ ibi ya ndị Hausa kpọrọ ya river wee bakwazie ya Niger wee bụrụzie River Niger kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ mmiri ahụ kwa osimiri ma ọ bụ anyị kpọọ ya ọgbarụ orimiri ọgbarụ ọ bụrụ ọgbarụ orimiri ọgbarụ ma ori mmiri ọgbarụ ma osimiri ọgbarụ maka ọ na ọgbarụ ka o si wee gaa na Anambra steeti mgbe ahụ a na-agwazi ya na River Niger na Mungo Park chọpụtara ya kwa ikwere ekwe ihe kpatara anyị ji wee kwere because of na ihe umego ka anyị mata site na ụmụazị na Mungo Park iji kpagharịwa kpagharị wepụta ebe nwa wee fụdị river wee baa ya afa Chineke kpọọ ya ọkụ ọ na nwere ndị na-echu River Niger ahụ echu mgbe ahụ o nwere ndị na-echu dị mmiri na-egwu ya were ya na-asa akwa na-agụ ahụ na ya na-akụta azụ na ya na mgbe ahụ Chineke kere mgbe ahụ ọ sị let there be light in the world and there was light and the witness said that the world was without void then the water covers everywhere mgbe ahụ water cover everywhere is River Niger not among the water that covers everywhere ọnụ River Niger esoro na ya ọ na-ata mmiri uri esoro na ya ọnụ ụlọ asọkije esoro na ya ọ na ọmaghị esoro na ya ọ na-ezu esoro na ya ihe mmiri ndị mma afọ ka m na-akpọsị ife unu mazi afa mmiri ndị ọzọ obodo ọbụla nwere mmiri nke ha ma afịa ata mmiri nọ Imo River nọ mmiri Imo nọ mmiri Ebonyi nọ mgbe Chineke kere ụwa ka m na-agwa unu maka ya ewebezie na agọrọ izu na-asị unu na Mungo Park Mungo Park juwe megịnị juwe discover River Niger. What is the dictionary meaning of discovering? Nwanne ego ụgwọ akwụkwọ ma ji ata akara nke nji eweta nke nji ata bons. Discovering means something that is in existence but nobody have seen it. Then you become the first person to come across and see that thing. That is discovering, not invent. Invent is when you create something on your own, when you manufacture something and bring it to life and people see it. You are an inventor. But discovering is something is somewhere. It is somewhere already existing, either created by God or made by man. Now, Orimiri Obaru was there. Somebody abia since Bazia Fasi no River Niger. Kedi hende ba na akpo ya. ihe ndị be anyị na-akpọ ya bụ orimiri ọgbarụ. Oshiri mmiri ọma na-ebu ebu ya na osimiri maka na ọgbarụ wee gaa ọma mbala hụbara n'ime ya ohupụta n'Ọnịcha size n'Ọnịcha wee baizie na Atlantic Ocean dịka ka ndị ọcha si wekpọ. mana emere ka mụ na ga abụọ n'ebe a mata na gịnị ka m na-akpọ ya Mungo Park chọpụtara m ya bụ mmiri ikweta ya n'akwụkwọ. Ajọ onye chọpụta River Niger ọ bụ na isi na Chineke nna kere ya na onwe onye chọpụta ịda mana ide Mungo Park ya makara get good. Gone are the days when we believe in all those errant nonsense. ihe kpatara m jụọ na-ajụ na-echeka ụmụ ihe ndị a ụmụ mkpọmkpọ na mkpọmkpọ na-asị ndị atụchala n'obodo a because Nigeria has no curriculum in their history. I'm telling you the gospel truth. They have no history in their curriculum. Sorry. They have no history in their curriculum. Now, if you look at how things is happening now, you know, ndị Hausa na-achị unu, ndị ugwu na-achị unu. Kedu ihe ha nwere? Kedu ihe ha ma? Onye je mmiri were mmiri kwa aka kwọchacha aka maka coronavirus were dị mmiri wee ṅụọ. Kedu ihe onye ahụ nwere ike iche echiche? Kedu ihe o nwere ike ịlụpụtanwu? Kedu ihe o nwere ike imenwu? Anyị were ọchịchị nye ya, kedu ihe o nwere ike imenwu ka obodo dịrị na mma? Biko ebe ọ bụ na ị nọ nwanne unu ewekwa n'iwe. Ihe nna aṅụ ebe a pami ka nna aṅụ pami mana agbanyere m ya stout wee kwụgwa ya ka o nwee ike dị na ịghọtago na alụ ọrụ ka nsi wee chọọ maka obi adọrọ m mma. Mmiri adị agba n'ụlọ ọkụ adị enwu everywhere is hot. Obi adịkwuru m nwa na onwe m n'ebe a mma. Ewe m na-enenezi video somebody wee send video wee gosi m ebe onye asa kwọchara ka wee were dị mmiri wee ṅụọ aboki and onye anụ akwọchara ka were mmiri wee ṅụọ echini na ọ bụrụ accountant general of the federation, echini na ọ bụrụ minister of health, echini na ọ bụrụ immigration controller general ma ọ bụrụ army general. Mana mụ na ha nọ n'ofu obodo ha mara ihe a na-akpọ hygienic. Ha mụrụ na otu ahụ ọ na-akwa ka na ọ na-akwọpụta doti some unforeseen bacterias ọ kwọpụtachara n'aka ya because ebe o biri aka wee werekwa ihe niile wee no abịazi anaghị ogbu anyị a na-akọrọ anyị stori eji gba nnụnụ nne efe unu echekwa mgbe a sị na Zik ji fekpuo na bọtụrụ fepụta mgbe a na-arụ River Niger arụcha River Niger kwa mụmị weta bịa mebie Zik wee bịa wee fekpuo fepụta wee sị mụmị weta mgbe ya fekpuo mụmị weta wee fekpuo Zik wee kwuchie ya wee lụọ River Niger. How many of you believe that story? I believed it as a boy, but I was still challenging, asking questions. How possible? Ka busy case where we just won a bottle. All of the same story of Mungo Park and Andotia. That man who they told us. Na fiabu lugade. Cause we were ndị a na-enweghị echiche ha na bụ sọsọ maka ndị a na-ewere ọnụ tinye ike efi na-aṅụ mamịrị efi. Odoru n'anya ewere ike na anyụ ewere ike tie na amị efi ọnụ n'ike mmiri efi fa nwugide nwụkpọ ya ni kpọ ya na ha ṅụọ na mmiri. Mana ndị a ka mụ na gị nọ under them ha na-achị anyị ya chịrị anyị gbago ha chịrị anyị gbatuo ka efi. Ama m na weta ihe na-ekwu ihe na-ajụ bụ ọtụtụ n'ime unu n'ebe a na watch video a kwetara no Mungo Park kere Nigeria no Mungo Park chọpụtara River Niger. Ewe m na-ajụ sị amụcha na Mungo Park tupu Chukwu ke River Niger onwugo ndị na-echu mmiri River Niger ahụ na onwero Mungo Park. Mgbe ọ bụ na ị chere echiche a nye onwe gị the right answer iwe ghọta ebe mwa bụ Chukwu Obeleze Chukwu bụ ike m na-aga obi adọrọ m mma asa anyị quarantine na mwa na quarantine with one bottle of stout and permit dị n'enu ya. Biko nke ọbụla iji quarantine n'ebe ahụ jisi ike. We cannot come and kill ourselves so anyị ma nwụkwa Okwobịa na-enye n'ụlọ another 14 days na Anambra State. Lagos State emekwana nke espa otu aka esi megide ya nwanne ife ama mbiko na ofu ọnwa maọbụ ọnwa abụọ ka ngwakwa unu kwekwa na aji n'ume mana anyị katara arụ ife anyị ji kata alụ bụ na our own quarantine has happened back in 1967 to 1970. 30 months 30 months ka quarantine we under bomb and bullet and apia imbo na apia egbe. We didn't go out. We were struggling to survive. We didn't cry. Though we cried because people are dying. If I say we didn't cry, I must be a liar. We cried, but yet we survived it. Today, look at what is happening in the country. Ndibo has been relegated. Nazu azuke desalai. Ndị na-achị unu bụ ndị na-akwasị aka maka disease coronavirus aṅụọ mmiri. Amamu na gote na-ekwu. Some of you nwere ike na-asị ka ịkpakọ ndị isi ma ndị ekwu n'udo okwu a udo. Nwanne ihe ndị ekwu okwu abụ n'obi adọrọ m mma na onye Hausa kuru mmiri wee kwa aka wete ncha na ụmụ kwacha wee kuru dị mmiri ṅụọ. Jee na go to my wall right now, you see the video, you watch it yourself. You watch it, you wee gota na anyị kwesịrị ịnọrọ onwe anyị na nwere gbasara anyị na ndị abụrụ dị mmadụ. Ndị kwesịrị ka a nọrọ onwe ha, anyị nwa nọrọ onwe anyị. Ife na ọchịchịrị enwere mmekọ. O nwere ihe gbasara anyị na ndị a. Cha. Ọkwụnụ mana amụ ọnụ nọ accountant general ụlọ ọkụ. Kasị nọ whatever they call him. Office ya. Ka amụchara ọkụ na ma how many billion asị nọ ihe na-efu. Nwanne kwasị nọ 700 billion. Ka asị nọ ihe na-efu na office of accountant general ụnụ. Oh my goodness me. Ngwa n'ezie n'anya. Office gbara ọkụ 70 billion efuo. Then ya na ahụ aja save this video. From now to 2023, CBN ga-agba ọkụ. Unu ga-afụ ya. A ga-amụnye CBN ọkụ. Amụnyezie CBN ọkụ agwazi unu that na 500 trillion no ihe ọkụ gbara na CBN. But unu mana ihe unu mana Central Bank of Nigeria doesn't deal with a majority of cash. It is digital money on digits. According to my idea. All money on digit now. So was there no caucus over 700 million? Every 700 million carton of money double at this accountant general office. Okay, we buy. Ask yourself that question. $1 billion naira. You want to keep $1 billion naira to be inside office? It's not possible. It is money on digit. It is digital money. Ego in a digit. On the software, the digit of the digital form, no day. You can only keep bucket about cushion, about table, about fan, about ceiling, about documents. Manebe Godi, but no lack. Caucus about 700 billion. Before you get the answer, ask yourself what makes somebody to wash his or her hand and drink the water, claiming that it's anti-poison. That person that reasons that way, that is ruling you, that is in the office or Kobal, as you know 700 billion, the neighbor, Kedikonya Gesu nature. Obiadromma, and my wound Kebezoku. Obiadromma. Now 700 do not cover 700 billion or cover 700 billion. Kedikoku 7 billion. Mazi J. Onyoma, Ogadrena Moya Malakebo, when you got a mega manamano to Manabani. You open it in Rakaga. You are married in an Oga Dragon and Polo, Chogan Magan with them, Mochogan and Jogi as Rim. I'm a player, a stable in Oga Dragon and coronavirus. I'm for Gaman Fizunogi. You can get Ganirunu Macanunu Kana Bokenwe. Yakan you and I go no bomb, but other bomb, but make you give me guess Nandogi, Igaboni, Bigaboni Bazo, Judge Guacana, Webobin in Russia. I don't mamma for Gajo Madame Fogi. I call on to Gakojoga, Pong, Ojiga Muiji Gadam Goro. Oga Dragon money, Kadrigan, Dragon for Dragon. Oh, yam cable to cook my gozigi. Omo Biafra. It's got a no quite new. When I just say, when I was a Cocharaca, when 1 million. Watchaki and 1 million of coronavirus. Or Kukadion with the kitchen, Kayon with the Kimun. Kachi, Kayon with the Kirobutan. Oh, Urofania also no man, boy scientist. 1 half a camphor. Abuno Urofania also no man, best scientist or an inventor all over the world. One on your house, half a. One on the Miafa can know. Omero. And when I would knock over 70, or what will I just say? This 700 billion knock over. Can you caucus in buyer? How did the 700 billion got fire? How? Was it cash money that was kept in that office? that office of the accountant general, is it kedu na akpozi dị ebe a na-esave ego na bank? Vault, is it vault? Is it a vault? Is it a vault? And edebe cash money ebe ahụ. Na-agwa unu si unu pụta unu sọpọtụ ihe anyị na-eme ka anyị nwere onwe anyị ka anyị na-eje dozie obodo anyị. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-asị na hapụgokwana n'ihe unu na-ekwu, hapụgodo na akọ Biafra nke ọzọ mana ndị na-eme ha kwụsị aka ha ṅụọ mmiri ha kwatara n'aka maka coronavirus so nọ ya ga-agwa ya dị ọya. Ngwagwazienụ m ka ha si achị unu ihe ọma ha nwere ike imenwuru unu. Biko gwa ya ka o wetakwuola anyị pami biko
Abiba
madam brimpa na gbara nkwụ ṅụọ. Enwere m ọtụtụ ihe m chọrọ ikwu okwu juru m n'ọnụ maka na ọ na-emọdị m n'obi kwuo m n'ọnụ ọ dị m n'aka kpọọ m ya n'obodo ọ dị m n'ụkwụ ngapịa n'ije mana asịzi onye ọbụla nọrọzie na yaadị anya nọrọkwa na yaadị anọkọta ife ofu onye ese ndị vidiyo ebe nwaanyị ji mma magbuo di ya anọkọta ifukwa ofu vidiyo ebe mmadụ si n'ụlọ elu wụpụ tie onwe ya na pịarisi onwe ya anọkọta ese ndị vidiyo ebe nwaanyị nna maka na asị anyị nọrọ n'ụlọ ọtụtụ ihe na-emezi mana nke na-agbazi m anya mmiri bụ onye ahụ si kwacha aka ya were mmiri ṅụọ si gị na coronavirus ihe abụọ ihe ga-agwụ ya coronavirus iwe si mekwukwu n'okwu onye si mekwu n'okwu ya mụkwa onye nwa dara ogbe. Ụmụ Biafra bilite na oge eruona bring more this thing for us please. Yeah, bring the pami, yeah, and one of this ka m na-aṅụcha ọkwa 200 ka a na-eli ya maka okịta na asịba na presality na ọ na-eli ego ya ọ na-eli ọkwa 200 one bottle like this 200 sọsọ maka ada ama the next thing kịta na-asụ na iri ga ego gị na-ata ya kash na nwekwa kash nta ga eji m shishi adị metukwa n'ọnụ na m ji maka ada ama maazị jeje ewenezina m aka enu ọ bụghị na nso kịta mgba ihu one cup gị ṅụrụ inwe ike isikwa ebe a bụrụtụ nwa obere anyị wee na-ekwukwa ife anyị na-ekwu. Ụmụ Biafra ndị ọma njem ọnụ ọ ga-adịrị ụdị na mma ndị Awụsa chigbuo na anyị ha na-achịzi anyị ka anụmanụ ha na-achị anyị ka nama ha na-achị anyị ka nama ka a sue na-agwa anyị na 700 million furu 700 million wee fuo onwe onye na-ajụ ese 700 million furu ka o si wee fu 700 million furunu ka m na-ajụ sị dị akpa ego adọsara furu ka ọ digit. I need one of these two, okay? Get it for me. Okay, come. What do you have there? Something edible. Something edible. Give me what do you call it? Orishi. I sorted. Yeah, give me sorted. Look, I take the come my mind. No be adromma. I can never die. Peba. Bikon unu ewe niwe. Unu say nọrọ n'ụlọ. Man, the house is so much boring, so I gotta come out, to enjoy myself a little bit with my friend here. But I'm seeing a lot of things happening online. I decided to talk about them. So one of them is about this money that this office of accountant general that got fired, and they say 700 billion got lost. Now 700 billion that got lost. The question I'm asking you guys is, how did it happen? Was that 700 billion in cash? Was it kept there in cash, or was it a digital money? How did it happen? If you're not asking this question, then you are an animal. If you are not asking how did that 700 billion got burnt, then you are an animal. You have to ask question. You got address it. 700 billion and you go Kedebosi. Kedebosi, what are the money? On a bemunagi na la na bumnagi na la ben na munagi mama na amire na ba eke ebe ka ego ahụ si ihe ego ka na-eli ego ka na-akpọ ọkụ ekesi egesi ụlọ ọkụ ọzọ dịka nwanne ya bụ gbasatara ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji ma magbusi di ha Because I'm here, I couldn't make it now for Polamania. One not to John and not to. Something must surely kill a man, but so no dogon with a swinging. Kedife Patara Umwa, you know, you over Manamabusi Juno. Some guys have been bossing me, say, Prince, why don't you talk about this killing, this knifing of a thing that women got killing their husband anyhow, cooking them? Why can't you talk about it? You always talk about other things, about the movement, and you should talk about. And now I have remembered it, and I'm going to talk about it. Any woman that kills the boyfriend or the husband because the man cheated on her, that woman is a vampire. She's a devil herself, and God will punish that woman. Yes, God will punish that woman. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Where am now?
God created man and gave man the authority over everything on earth. I mean, over everything. When I say everything, over everything that is created on this planet Earth, a man is entitled to get married to 100 wives if he wants. A man is entitled to get married to 1 million women if he wants. It is only Christianity that came and changed everything and tell us it is one man, one wife. I am not against 1 man, 1 wife. But if your husband decide to get married to a second wife, if you cannot stay, you go. The number of women, I mean single women, I'm not talking of divorced, I'm talking of single women on this planet Earth, is times 10 of single men on this planet Earth. It is not my calculation. What WHO, World Health Organization, gave the analysis year 2000 that if one man get married to 20 women, that the remaining women will be even more greater. I mean, those that are not yet born, because the rate of a male child birth is very, very low compared to the rate of female birth, childbirth, because of the process of giving birth to a male child is very, very narrow. If you go to calculate the woman cycle, you will understand what I'm talking about. The doctors and nurses that are watching this video will understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. So the little men that we have on this earth, I want you to know that about 25% of them are in the prison for one crime or the other. If you go to prison today, if there are 1,000 people in the prison, men are 80%. No, not 80, 90%. Women are only 10%. That is the calculation, and you must agree with me. Secondly, the people who are in the war front, fighting Boko Haram, fighting insurgency, doing all this, all the army, all the military, they are much in number, and they are men. If Nigeria have 1,000 soldiers, 950 soldiers, maybe 50 are women. Now, out of that 950, maybe 50 is already killed in the war front. Don't forget that the rate of male child, the rate of the opportunity to have a male child is very rare, very small. Out of 100%, it is about 25 or 30%. Then the rate of giving birth to a female child is about 70%. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Then the remaining men that we have on earth, the little number, our women are killing them with knife. How dare you killing your husband or your boyfriend because he cheated on you? If he cheat on you with one girl, cheat on you with 100 men. Every man is entitled. Listen, I am not against polygamy. Neither am I against what you call it, single, one man to one woman, whatever you call it in English. But what I'm telling you is that you have no right to take anybody's life. I watched one video yesterday. I was crying, I was shedding tears, where a lady stabbed the boyfriend in Port Harcourt. Stab this guy, stab this guy, stab this guy, stab this guy. On the blood of this guy was so much that the whole house was painted on blood. It was a pool of blood because the lady saw the SMS, the message with this guy and another woman. Then he went and stabbed this guy and killed him. Now that you kill him, you are still going to get another boyfriend. If that one also cheat on you, you will kill that one too. You will leave him. You are a killer. You are a serial killer. You are a devil. Stop killing the men because they cheat on you. If your husband or cheat on you, go. If you want to go outside, go outside. That one concern. If he catch you, the marriage don't finish. If your boyfriend cheat on you and you want to also cheat on him, go and cheat on him. Don't kill him. Stop taking lives. Don't create one hair out of this hair that you are looking at. It's very, very important that I talk about this for the benefit of those who are watching. Treat your women good. If you love your woman, show her love. If you want to get married to another woman, tell her, I want you alone. I want to get married again. But don't forget that our people get married to second wife or third wife for some reasons. Number one, olden days, our forefathers, they were farmers. They need more wives, more children to be able to cultivate, to farm, to get good results from whatever they are farming. That is one reason. Secondly, in some family, to have a child used to be a problem. It's either from the man or from his father or from his forefather. Of course, they will get married to a woman. The woman may not be able to give birth. He would like to get married to another wife. There's no law that forbids a man from getting getting married to two wives. If there is, somebody should put the quotation in the Bible here where God is saying that we should not marry second wife. Abraham married Sarah. Circumstances led him to also take his maid as wife, and he impregnated her. All of you know the story. King David did not get to one wife or to one woman in the Bible. And God called him a man after my heart. God loves him so much. King Solomon, the Bible said that he's the wisest king on earth. God blessed him with wisdom. 300 wives and 700 concubines. And still, God still loves him. Who are you to kill that man because he cheated on you? God punish you for taking the life of an innocent man because he cheated on you. Here is Africa. This place we call Africa, we are known as Akebulan. I have said it before in my previous video and I'm going to repeat it again. This is Mother Earth. This is the center epitome of the world. 0 longitude and 0 latitude. Measure the whole world. We are the center epitome of the world. So everything began here. They tell you God created Adam, and from Adam he created Eve. And God will say it is one. My brother, let me tell you, there's no how God would have created two women at the same time. Yes. Because some of you now will start telling us the story of Adam and Eve. Don't spend me with that story. Because even God said, go to the world and be multiplied. You take knife and stab somebody's child because he cheat on you. Somebody are not even sure that he may marry you tomorrow. Because yeah, pepper soup or not tagalion, Makada mama, Omo Biafra, Ogadron number. All those killers, those ladies who are taking the life of their boyfriend and their husband, my prayer to you today is that kill anybody, either with poison or with knife, you will not live to get married to someone that will love you. Because in this world, on this planet Earth, everybody now. Everyone will right to live his own life the way he wants. For me, if I'm married today and I need another wife, if I need another wife, don't forget what I said. If my wife cannot stop me, if I tell her, honey, I need a second wife, if she cannot stay, you go. If you can stay, you stay. But for her to think of using knife to kill me because I want to get married to another wife, Chineke ebuso kpọ ya mgbe ahụ na-eche echiche ya tọnda ga agba ya ga ọ ga-emezigbo ụmụ ụdị ọgbagbuo ya. Women, Stop killing your husband. Stop killing your boyfriends with knife. Some of you say it's out of frustration. Which cannot say frustration? After they kill the man, they say it's devil. I call it Ekwensu. Ekwensu can't alone enjoy with Munye. The devil will be seated at home with his wife enjoying. You'll be calling the devil that is the one that sent you to go and kill your husband. You stab the guy, stab him. You don't even have a message that this is somebody's child. Because he cheated on you. God will punish you. That woman that is thinking of killing the boyfriend. 100 times. Why would you take somebody's life? You people cheat also. You are the biggest cheater. I'm talking about women. If you go into some women's inbox right now, Facebook inbox right now, they have no less than 20 boyfriends whom they are calling sweetheart or honey love. Yeah, I want to shake this table. In fact, I want to scatter this table. Shaking it is not enough. That is why I love one video that one guy posted. He said, if you say you are innocent, that you are not a cheat, talking to the girls, upload your boyfriend's picture on your Facebook and say, honey, I love you. You are the love of my life. Also, attack that your boyfriend. Somebody made this request, and I want to touch it a little bit. So for people to know that cheating is between the men and the women, not only the men. A lot of people are cheating. Are you getting it? So if you cannot be proud of one man, you have a guy, the one that is sending you money for the church card. You have another one that is sending you money to make your hair. You have another one that is sending you money to pay for your house rent. You have another one. As a matter of fact, you have sometimes you have maybe 5 Obi as a boyfriend. Obi 1, Obi square pass, Obi mechanic, Obi oil company. Only you. Some women even go as extent as using female name to save their boyfriend's numbers on their phone. For example, if the guy's name is Charles, she will write it Christy. Yes. If it is Callistus, you will write it Callista, because you are cheating. But once you got a guy who is there for you, helping you, doing 1 or 2 things, and you see this knife and kill him, why would you do that? I know that some ladies will be saying, Prince Darlington, yeah, 1 cup can on your kembe. Uno for ya, or Gubeho. Manian de Kubezoku, Macodim no be womb no. Prince Darlington, talk about it. I'm talking about it right now. Women, stop killing your husbands, stop killing your boyfriends because he cheat on you. If you cannot stay, leave the relationship. Relationship is not by force. Marriage is not a must that he must marry you. If you are a virgin, the guy happened to be your first boyfriend, you have never cheated on the guy, and the guy is cheating on you, and you are not contented, you go to him and say, listen man, I cannot continue with this, I am off. The next thing you ladies will say, you say broken, he broke her heart, he does what? Maybe you send him the church card, the 1,000 naira one day. After some times, maybe both of you have a misunderstanding. After I help him, God will punish him. The church card 1,000 Kenya. This guy, this guy have cheated on you. God will punish him. This and that. My brother, my sisters, I want to touch on something very important in the relationship today. You see, that a guy is dating you. It's not a yardstick. Agwike Ogochukwu, onye ọmụ ga dere na mma. You are watching from Italy. Stay safe in Italy. I pray and I bless you today that you can be ama. Ndembo na ndegede. We safeguard you in that Italy where you are. Coronavirus never comes to you. This I decree and declare. In the name of Chukwu Kabiama, I pray. He said, not every relationship that was lead to marriage. Mark it somewhere. It is not every relationship that must lead to marriage. So relationship may lead you to heartbroken. Some may lead you to a good luck. Maybe you get something good from this guy. Some may lead you to a kind of business contact or connection. What have you? Yes. But thinking that every relationship must lead to marriage, if that guy you are thinking is going to marry you is your first man, and you are his first man, he's a first girl, and you are his first girl, and he's your first man, then when you are reasoning, you wait for the man to propose. It is the man that has the right to propose to you, not the other way around. This nonsense say, please marry me, or will you marry me, and put it's nonsense. It is not our culture. It is not our tradition. A woman should not propose a man for marriage. It is a man that should propose. And it is your attitude, your coordination, your ordinance that is going to propose to marry you. Not you, because you buy him shoe yesterday, buy him one t-shirt today, buy him boxers and singlet. Then next tomorrow you believe that because of all these things now you have spending to him, now you think you can cower him to promise you of conjugal. It is not. It doesn't work for every man. It does not. It does not work for every man. It cannot work for me. It cannot work. Again, let me tell you guys something. Some guys are very, very stupid and very, very myopic. Very, very selfish. When they see a single mother, a lady that have given birth in her mother's home, they'll be running helter-skelter. But it is the same guys that are pregnanting them. Some of them will say, I don't want to get married to a single mother. Hey. You are fucking a single mother. You are fucking a single girl. You are not married. You are having sex with a single girl. And you are running away from someone who, for what reason? One thing or the other might have caused the relationship to be broken. Maybe they are not meant to be together. Then a child come out of the relationship. It's not a sin. It's not bad. It is not bad, man. Yes. At least that should be a should I say a testimony or a confirmation that that woman is fertile, that she can give birth. In the church, thou shalt not touch the girl shall not come to your house until after marriage. Blah 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 blah. Kiniko. That is how most of you used to go and marry homo. Some of you will end up with a homo. Most of you will end up with a homo. A man who likes a fellow man's ass. Because when you are dating this man, you did not have sex with him. He did not test his manhood to know if he's a man or not. You are claiming because you are a church. At the end of the day, both of you get married. Then at night, your husband, when you touch him, he will run away. But in the next day, you see him with his best friend. You don't know that the faji. Hana Lotu. Are you getting what I'm saying? It is abomination before God and man that a man should go to a fellow man and a woman should go to a fellow woman. But because of the Christianity system of don't test the woman should not come to your house, you should not go to her house. This table don't appear here today until I'm done with it. Then I will hands up. Where this talk started from is Awusa, Waraka, Nwamiria. From there we went to Mungo Park and Andotia. Now Alan the Gom Nobe, Umwai Nebudifa, Nebo Ihanwoke because of jealousy. Now Eben Nozikitabu, Unubu Mwokesi, a single mother. I cannot marry a single mother. If I want to marry, I'll marry that one that you want to marry. Do you know how many abortions she have committed? Do you know if her womb has been tampered to? Do you know if she is even still have a womb? Some ladies have aborted up to 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Some of them cannot even conceive in life. All in the name they don't want to be. And you get married to them tomorrow, from one church to another. The next thing the girl will be telling you, it is your mother, it is your father. They are wizards. They don't want you to marry me. That's why I'm not getting pregnant. But it is the life that woman have lived in her past, in her youthful age. Now is telling on her. And some of men will run and say, oh, she's single, she never born. You rush and go and marry her and put her in the house. One day, you are on your own. You are on your own. I got my quick course ready. I'm not spoiling you, but I'm telling you how it is. A single mother, for you to get married to a single mother is not a crime. What you should be looking at is her character, her attitude towards you. The number of abortion that is committed on this planet Earth today is more than the mortality.
Ross, well done.
Well done, brother. I'm online, please.
Yeah,
Thank
well
you.
done.
Thank you. It's more than the number of mortality that coronavirus have killed in all over the world. As I am talking to you right now, somebody is in a hospital right now, aborting a child, an innocent child. Those women who gather morale to say, I'm going to give birth to this child because this child is an innocent child. They give birth to the child, they nurture the child, they nurse the child, they brought the child. As the child is growing, you saw the woman, she's still single. Some of our guys say we even pregnant the woman and deny, it's not me, I'm not interested, I'm not the one. They leave you and run away. They leave the girl and run away. Then the girl will cater for this child and give birth to this child. When you see a single mother, we should give kudos to that woman. Number one, she has saved a life. Number two, she has proven beyond every reasonable doubt that she's a woman indeed. So why are you running away from a single mother? It's not a crime to get married to a single mother. It's not a crime. I am saying it categorically with every ounce of belief in me that any man that says that as a single mother that you cannot get married to her, that guy is a madman. You put them in a family way, you run away from them, you want to go and get married to someone else. The person you are getting you want to get married to, that person don't do more than 100 abortions. The womb is already spoiled. When you marry her tomorrow, you will not have a child because you are running away from a woman that already gave birth. Who are you? This table I go scatter them today. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm on a high spirit. Spirit in the very, very high. We must stop this nonsense act. This African mentality of she is a single mother, I cannot get married to her. Look at her quality. Look at the content. Some good women will have been deceived so many times. Now, having talked much about single ladies, I want to come to those women who doesn't want to get married to a man whose mother is still alive. Why you bona? Si ni achori nnugi maka na nne gi ka dị ndụ. Chineke ga-akpụ ya ọkụ because ya nwa na onwe ya ọma ndị ndụ nwe nwa. Ọma no self. That's my prayer. You want to get married to a woman, your mother still alive? I don't want tomorrow me and my mother-in-law will be having issue. My brother, big race. You are supposed to propose to her, not the other way around. If a woman doesn't want to get married to a man whose mother is alive, she forget that someday she's going to be a mother. True or false? Or we are gonna warrior. You are a mother. You are going to be a mother someday. And a man whose mother is still alive, because you don't want any war between you and your mother-in-law. One day you will get married. You will have a child. It's either a boy or a girl. If it is a boy, don't forget that boy is going to also get married to a woman whom you are going to become her mother-in-law. So, otayi na achoro ka nne digidi ndo. Nwa gi mgbe oluko go ya n'udi nwunye nwa ga ma chọwa ka go ma no oge megene ga nwu. My mother, she is still alive. She took care of from pregnancy to childbirth. She brought me up. She taught me 70% of what I know because my father is a businessman. He's a contractor. He's always on his business line. I didn't grow up with my father always. It's with my mother. My mother taught me a lot of things. As you're looking at me now, one day I can filter cassava. I can cultivate cassava, cocoyam. I can cook a goosey. Every kind of food on this planet Earth I can cook. My mother taught me. I was brought up by a queen. She taught me everything. So now, if I want to get married to you, and you are telling me that if my mother is alive, you cannot marry me because you don't want to contend with her. Are you mad? Who are you? My mother is my first wife. My mother is my first love. Every man, his mother. Take care of his mother. Befriend your mother before you get married to another woman. Your girlfriend or your wife can leave you, but your mother can never leave you. My viewers, what I'm saying, if you think I'm not making sense, please challenge me now. I need challenge. I need challenge. I need a very big challenge. That a woman doesn't want to get married to a man because the mother is still alive. That woman, is she all right? You are insane. That always narrowed you people down to when at the age of 25, 26, 27, good men will be coming to you. You will be looking at what that man is driving, whether he's driving Toyota Land Cruiser, or he's driving Hummer, or he's driving this. You are not looking at what drives this man. You will end up getting married to that one you think that is already made man. Tomorrow, what you'll be receiving is bo, ba, bo, ba. We are blacks. We are blacks. Yes, we are not white. We have tradition and we have culture. Our culture and our tradition says that a man of the parents, I want to get married to you. Not a woman to come to you and kneel down and say, honey, will you marry me? You the craze? Now you want marry me, I want marry you. Which kind of sense to be that one? For you guys that are, when you see it, you are clapping. Say yes. Say yes. God forbid for a woman to propose to me. Now she won't pay my bride price. I won't pay her bride price. For what in now? It is not naturally all right for a woman to propose to a man. If you're a lazy, go and Tobago, go and look for money. Go and look for money so that you go and marry that woman of your choice. When you propose to her, if she says no, leave her. There are thousands and one women out there. Like I said before, World Health Organization have given the statistics that if one man, as at 2000, if one man get married to 20 women, that 20 women, after all the whole men on this planet are married, the remaining women that will not be married will be more than the number that is already married. That is to say 1 to 40. Am I communicating with you guys? I don't know if I'm communicating with you. If you have any question, put it on the typing on the chat button. I will respond to you. I will respond to you because the rate which women are killing men these days is too high. Sometimes you get married to a winch, you will not know. Sometimes you get married to a killer, you wouldn't know. And don't forget, when the woman proposed to marry you, you accepted. Maybe that woman with one or two, maybe only 1 million or 2 million naira in account. She bring the money, you marry her and do everything. My brother, your respect is finished. Out in your marriage. She will determine what will happen in the marriage. She will tell you how she helped you to marry her. What I'm telling you is the gospel truth. When go out there and hustle and make money and look for that woman of his choice. Be it a single mother, I don't give a fuck. Be it a divorcee, if the woman is married before and the marriage is no work, she divorced and you like her, you want to marry her, one day go ahead. So far you love her and she loves you. Some ladies get married under the age of 26, 27, their husband died, maybe after 2 years of marriage. You don't expect a girl of 26 to remain in her father's house or to remain in a man's in a husband's house who just died. No, our tradition forbids it. As a matter of fact, the village where if you get married as a young lady and it's not up to 1 year, your husband died, my dear, that day that your husband they're burying your husband, you have right to pack your things on. Only if you have given birth to this man, maybe him go you have given birth to 1 child or 2, and maybe something happened, this man died. It is now your decision to stay or to leave. Even in the church, they say till death do us part. It is when the man died, both of you can depart. No law on earth that stops you. Are you with me? This afternoon, I'm not going to go to a dream more. I'm telling you guys how it is for me. However, I want to draw this curtain table enough. Let me just draw my curtain down by telling you guys, those men that claim to be husbands materials at home, you don't know how to cuddle your wife. You don't know how to play with your wife. You don't know when your wife is angry or when she's not angry. You don't know how to make love to your woman. Your own is when you want to bump pikin. If you want to make your wife get belly, you climb like a he-goat. You are a stupid man. Every woman need caring, petting, pamper her. Some of you are the reason why some women are still going outside looking for other men outside. You have a house, you have a car, you have money, you have everything. Yet your wife your wife is still going outside. Ask yourself a question, why? You don't have time for her. Today you are in Germany. Next tomorrow you are in America. The other one you are in UK. Touring the whole world, sending her money, bringing everything. But you cannot take care of this woman. You cannot pamper this woman. You cannot make this woman feel like that marriage is going to fail. If you don't take time, at the end of the day, it is your driver. Either your driver or your gate man that be enjoying your wife. Are you with me? Share the video. If you want to share it, you share. If you don't want to share it, no problem. But I know that I'm speaking to somebody. The reason why I'm saying this live on video is this. Some people say that some women are very, very stupid. In the husband's house, they give another husband. Some of our men are the cause. How can you marry a young lady full of life and keep her in Nigeria? Then you go to Congo. Are you not having an affair with another woman? Answer yourself this question. Then you to tie herself up and stay waiting for you. There is something that abhors. Nature abhors vacuum. Nature abhors vacuum. Vacuum. Once there's a vacuum, something must up. If somebody will not say it, I'm saying it, and I'll be coming up with a deeper and more crucial version of this particular talk I'm giving to you guys this afternoon. Because if you know you are not ready to marry and take your wife along with you to Bodo Yibo, leave this young girl. Let you marry somebody. Those that are even in Nigeria here, you marry your wife. You look at her. She's looking like an old woman, wearing one pant 3 times in a week, the same clothes, the same hairstyle, the same shoe, everything. Then your wife is no longer attractive to you the way you used to be before you marry her. You go outside, you see one akuna that is walking the street, dressed well, good package, good hair, good eyelashes, with good makeup, with Mary Kay and what have you. you begin to chase her. While your wife in the house is looking like a dirty pig. My brother, enter boutique. Pick up those things that you see that akuna in the street is putting on. Pick it up. Buy them for your wife. Make them glow. Women are like flower. If you are pouring water on a flower, when you watch the flower, even you see the flower will be blooming. It will be shining. It will be very, very beautiful. Because you are watering the flower. But once you stop watering the flower, it begins to shrink. That is how women are. Some guys cannot their Mama Chibike, Mama Chibuzo, Biaba. What happened when you use some kind of soft and sweet romantic words like sweetheart, honey, my love, Nkem? Oh my God. Then when the woman remember her boyfriend who couldn't marry her, the way she was petting her, she'll be saying, why did I marry this stupid man? Well, you're already becoming stupid before her. That is why it is easy for them to take knife once they see that you're cheating on them. Because they will believe that love you are not giving to them, that petting you are not giving to them, someone else is receiving it. So it's better she kill you than for that person to be enjoying it. That is the problem. But I'm not in support of that. Whoever that kills the boyfriend or the husband, being a woman, you are a devil. You don't deserve to be given birth to in the first place. So my brothers, my sisters, if you are a husband, this quarantine period that you and your wife are in the house, make your wife make her happy. I get what I'm saying. Make your wife happy. Make her give her love. Handle her with care. Don't jump like a he-goat and jump down because you want to have baby. No. Haje wunye go ofuma. You tell me no. Haje ulu egu. Make obi di amma. Buy her a gift. Even if no matter how little it is. Speak to her. Make her to believe that yes, you love her. Not that she's not a baby factory, baby making machine. Because she's your no. Sometimes take her out. Maybe to the nearest bar, you know, beer. You know, take her out. Drive your wife to the what do you call it, to the beach. You know, so for sightseeing, take her to maybe sometimes. Oh my God, I don't know how to explain all this for you to understand where I'm going. To your wife. With this, anytime she raises up that knife to choke you, she will remember, if I kill this man now, you will not take me to the beach or drop what the man. But when nobody name 247, you don't care about her, you don't feed her well. What I mean by making love to your wife, there are many ways of making a woman happy. Have sex with her and go down. No, that's not what I mean. One day, men hide and seek. All of call. That is what I'm trying to say. In other words, I want us to know that sitting at home doesn't mean that we're not going to communicate. It doesn't mean that we're not going to talk. We're talking. All those little home violence and what have you, and issues that we're having around here, we'll be talking about them until Biafra come. I am not by that body window. I thank you each and every one of you that watch this video. Those that share it, God bless you. Meanwhile, by tomorrow, I'm coming up to shake another table. May Chukwu Okabe bless you. Thank you so much. I can be one no woke up as Chukwu became Prince Darlington. I go Biafra one. The only fearless son of the fearless father from Enugu Mako. Adema atuma de Chineke kereke egwu. Ofuburu kamada na anwe nwuzi ekwuzi udi undi biro gede ndo. Pa kan suwe na scan neke no no gadiro na mma mana eke mana ori mana afuma na nkwo. Iyo ma ga bu nke onu ụmụ nwanyị biko nu na-egbuzi na ndo oyi nu nwoke na-egbuzi na di unu. Ụmụ nwoke biko nu na-eme na ụmụ nwanyị ayi obi ọma. Unu abụwazi na ha obi. Nwoke chọrọ ịnụ kwanụ nwanyị sị na nwunye ya na onye ọ chọrọ ịnụ na asị na ọmụọ na nwa because of them nwanne m kuzi na-emezi na Marry her, make her happy. The most important thing is the love you both of you share, not what she might have done in the past before you get to know her. That was her past. You understand what I'm saying? So I thank you so much for watching. May Chukwu Okabema bless each and every one of you. Okay? And those that are in abroad, try to teach your children how to speak Igbo language. Biko, onwere wenga kpolo nketa na akuziri ụmụ na asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka, ndewo.
Onye jikwa na nke obodo fa mebi nke m